Welcome back to Englishova. Today, you'll learn 30 English words to speak more fluently and confidently. Abundant, meaning more than enough, plentiful. Sentences. 1. There is abundant wildlife in this national park. 2. We have abundant information to make a good decision. Accomplish, meaning to successfully achieve something. Sentences. 1. She accomplished all her goals this year. 2. Hard work helps people accomplish their dreams. Adapt, meaning to change to fit a new situation. Sentences. 1. Children adapt quickly to new schools. 2. We must adapt to changing technology. Ambitious, meaning having a strong desire to succeed. Sentences. 1. He is an ambitious university student. 2. My sister is ambitious and studies every day. Appreciate, meaning to value or be thankful for something. Sentences. 1. I appreciate your kind support. 2. We should appreciate our parents. Beneficial, meaning helpful or good for you. Sentences. 1. Exercise is beneficial for your health. 2. Reading is beneficial for students. Challenge, meaning a difficult task or problem. Sentences. 1. Learning English is a challenge. 2. She accepted the challenge confidently. Complicated, meaning difficult to understand. Sentences. 1. The instructions were complicated. 2. Math can become complicated sometimes. Confident, meaning sure about yourself. Sentences. 1. She is confident during presentations. 2. Practice makes people more confident. Convenient, meaning easy and suitable. Sentences. 1. Online shopping is very convenient. 2. This location is convenient for everyone. Crucial, meaning extremely important. Sentences. 1. Sleep is crucial for good health. 2. Time management is crucial for success. Determine, meaning to decide or find out. Sentences. 1. We need to determine the best solution. 2. The doctor will determine the cause. Diverse, meaning having many different types. Sentences. 1. Our city has a diverse population. 2. The library offers diverse books. Efficient, meaning working well without wasting time. Sentences. 1. She is an efficient employee. 2. This machine is highly efficient. Encourage, meaning to give support or confidence. Sentences. 1. Parents should encourage their children. 2. Teachers encourage students to ask questions. Essential, meaning absolutely necessary. Sentences. 1. Water is essential for life. 2. English is essential for many jobs. Flexible. Meaning, able to change easily. Sentences. 1. My work schedule is flexible. 2. Flexible thinking solves many problems. Generate. Meaning, to produce or create. Sentences. 1. Solar panels generate electricity. 2. Good ideas generate new opportunities. Improve. Meaning, to become better. Sentences. 1. I want to improve my English. 2. Daily practice improves speaking skills. Inspire. Meaning, to motivate someone. Sentences. 1. Her story inspires many people. 2. Great teachers inspire students. Maintain. Meaning, to keep something in good condition. Sentences. 1. It is important to maintain good health. 2. They maintain the public park regularly. Opportunity. Meaning, a good chance. Sentences. 1. This job is a great opportunity. 2. Study abroad offers many opportunities. Overcome. Meaning, to successfully deal with a problem. Sentences. 1. She overcame her fear of public speaking. 2. We can overcome difficulties together. Participate. Meaning, to take part in something. Sentences. 1. Many students participated in the competition. 2. I like to participate in community events. Persuade. Meaning, to convince someone. Sentences. 1. She persuaded me to join the club. 2. He persuaded his parents to support him.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these 2 videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.